Everybody in our group now knows about the cooperative business model, and I'm still to do the video graphic version on the website, but time is not always on my side. And you're also aware it is also a social and psychological practice as well. But what if we rolled that out into a government structure also? How could it work? Can it be implemented? In what format? Well, the answer is yes, it can. It would end the two-party illusion that one is different from the other. They're not. It would end the isms that has plagued society as they defend the illusion that one ism is better than the other. They're not. All the isms and branches of government, be it socialism, republicanism, democrat, monarchism, all come under the banner of communism and Zionism. All of them. And you are deluded if you think you are a republic, monarchy, despot, or have a constitution. The facts shown in our show alone states it's not real. For those new to our show, communism has zero to do with Russians, or Chinese, or Vietnamese for that matter, and everything to do with the Zionist movement operating programs of mutual failure for us all on behalf of their so-called gods. Obama was trained in communism. Yes, he is a Muslim. Why would a Muslim become a communist? Because it's got nothing to do with religion or what country you came from. Communism in their format is everywhere and knows no boundaries. And when people really grasp that fact, then we can get on as equal people and fix the issues without the racism or media-led hatred of peoples and countries that has no basis within your own experience of these people. How stupid is it that you hate an entire peoples based on a 30 to 52-inch screen with animated people inside of it reading out scripts that are not even using their own words or opinions? The sheer concept of that is mind-boggling. And yet it shows how easily people can be brainwashed and mind-controlled. Mainly by these same Zionists is why. They run the media and the magazines. And this is also how we end up with movie stars or game show hosts as your representatives. Not president, as most people think. Your current president is, at this time, the head CEO of the USA Inc. Corporation. Big difference. The leader of the country going forward is who is best represents the people and works for and by the people. Leaders should never be selected based on how much money they can scrounge out of the people via donations either, or based on being rich or some family-based hierarchy system, or be decided by rogue agencies within our own borders either. Hello, Langley. So how can we implement a cooperative government? It's simple. We pick people who will serve the people in their respective fields of operations. You cannot expect one man or woman to be involved in every micro decision making. It's more of an oversight job than being immersed in it for the leader. A government cannot be ran by lobbyists, Israeli or otherwise, neither by banks, financial institutions, agencies, or exterior-based think tank organisations. The levels of interference and clownery is beyond obscene currently. The government will be much easier to run if all the interference, backdoors, siphoning and lobbyists are removed. Then people can make cooperative decisions with input from the all that is open and accessible to the all. Now, to make it more accessible, select groups of different age groups in each state could be organised and set up a committee to ascertain what are the key elements the general public is interested in fixing, improving, implementing or introducing, and be fed directly back to the politicians to vote or implement. Then the people, which have dissolved their own responsibility and handed all the flack over to the politicians, are then taking an active interest and participating the way they should be. Politicians should not be a private, rich, elite lawyers' club like it is now. And even those in it do not understand how it works. Militaries, agencies, elites, rich and bloodline families making decisions for us has been an unmitigated disaster. All of them failed spectacularly, I might add. Their inability to operate anything correctly is there for all to see now. Completely incapable of making a common sense decision at any time, never mind in a timely manner. But that doesn't and shouldn't negate our own responsibility in that either. We, the people, have neglected that responsibility badly, and it's cost us heavily. That has got to change. A non-divisive, fair, transparent government operating in a cooperative way, not only at home but abroad also, is not only deliverable but essential for the progress of this planet and our species.